everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at the LANSENXI. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure, man. It'll be in the title. Video drone. It's in this little case. And there it is right there. It's amazing. It really has a neat color. I was watching DeAndre's video last week or a couple of weeks ago. And I clicked on his link for this thing. It was real cheap. So I said, oh, I left him a comment. I said, I'm going to pick one of them up. It looks pretty cool. He was doing a giveaway on there and everything like that. So I said, oh, it looks pretty decent. I'll take a look at it. The actual quadcopter itself looks like that that little thing I ran. I can't even remember the name of it. It was such a pile of garbage. That thing I ran over with my car. Okay, that one I got from Slide Ad. I don't even remember the name of that pile of junk. But anyway, here's this thing. This thing actually looks pretty decent. You know, it looks pretty cool. There's the on and off switch right there. There's the camera. It's just one of those little pinhole cameras. Now it says on the package here it's 4K, but believe me, if this is 4K, I'm special K, okay? So forget about that. You know, that's not happening. I mean, there's no micro SD card. Where's it going to record the 4K to? You know, I don't see any micro SD card slot on here. So how in the hell is it going to record 4K? To your phone over the Wi-Fi? You know, that's not happening. Okay, so that's BS. But anyway, there's where the battery goes right there. It's let me get my old ass eyes going. It's a 650. 3.7 650. Snaps right in there. The arms fold in there. I don't know if those lights work. They look like they actually might. But we're going to find out here in a few minutes. There's the Wi-Fi antenna right there. But yeah, it looks pretty cool, man. It looks pretty cool. So, here's the transmitter. It's like a million of these types of transmitters that I've seen all the way from going back a couple of years. This same transmitter has been on many a quadcopter, trust me. And I've had a bunch of them too. So, and it has the usual stuff on there. There's the trims, takeoff, land, and then there'll be some flips and speed rates up here on this stuff. And then one of these will be a emergency stop, and one of these will be a headless. You know, it's all the same stuff. You just got to figure out which one they put it on. So all four of the buttons are active. So there's no dummy button. So all four of these buttons most likely are going to do something. Flips probably over here. Rates over here. Kill switch probably on this back one. And headless mode probably on this one. That's going to be my guess. That's usually how it is anyway. Anyway, they give you this little bag of stuff here. With the battery charger, the spare props, the screwdriver, and the prop guards, which we're not going to use those. And then there's the QR code. So you're going to be able to do that. And it has this nice little case. I mean, this thing was only like 23 bucks, okay? And so they give you a little case with it. So I thought that was pretty good, you know. So let's turn it on. Let's see which way the level calibration goes. Okay, there it goes. The bottom right. That'll be the level calibration. Now let's fire up the app. We'll go to the Wi-Fi signal. And that's going to be right here. It's going to be called FPV 4K. 4K. Okay, FPV 4K, that's all you need to know. Okay, quit that. Get that synced in there. Okay. If this thing shoots 4K, I'm going to jump off the roof. Okay. Okay, whatever. Let's go over here to here's the app. It's called FPV Camera. And actually, if you look at it real close, the picture of the icon, that's a picture of the Wingsland Minivet. Oh, I thought that was pretty cool. When I downloaded the app, I noticed that right off the bat. Hit the start, and there it goes. It's sporting the picture down there. See that? There it goes. Yay. Now, you know what I always notice? Whenever I do these videos here, I always, fire these things up and show you the video sample here when I'm holding the drone. But the video always looks better when I'm doing this. Once I go fly it, it looks like crap. Okay, so I never could figure that out. Once it's really moving around, then it looks like garbage. But once you hold it here in your hand, the video looks really clear and really nice, There it is, holding it real still. And it's just, oh, it looks fine. Go ahead and move it around like that, and then see it goes nuts. So that's the way it goes. Here's that, those lights, you'll see them right there. See them? Good. That's going to be the thumbnail for the video right there. I just wanted to get that in there. All right, guys, let's go fly and see how it flies. All right, guys, we're out here with the video drone, and we're going to see if this thing shoots 4K or not. Okay, so I'm skeptical, okay? I'm real leery of 4K with this thing, trust me. Well, let's start the video here. And then let's take off. The controls seem to have a lot of lag in them. Just initial impression is that there's lag, a lot of it in the controls. So I'm just going to hold it here still for a minute to see if I can get some decent looking clear video. It's very erratic with the steering. I wonder how this thing would fly with the Wi-Fi turned off. I'm beginning to think that it'd probably be a lot better with the Wi-Fi turned off. Wow. Very jerky. I think that's a headless mode type deal. Yeah. Wow, that thing's very erratic. I am not digging this thing that much. Now look at it coming backwards. You don't even want to fly backwards. Okay, that tells me that the level calibration is way out of whack. Let me try to do that again. Okay, let me take off. You see how when it, hold on. Just wants to go forward by itself like that. The pitch and the trim is so out of whack. There it goes. There's a big pigeon out there. Okay, so I pretty much got the trim straightened out. It was way out. It wouldn't even hardly come backwards. Yeah, I'm really not digging this thing. I don't recommend this thing, guys. It's just so, there's so much lag right when you first start to push forward on the sticks. There's like this little half second of lag. Very jumpy, very erratic. Do not like that at all. You see how twitchy it is? It's not smooth by no means. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video now because I want to at least be able to save this video for you. So we got 5 minutes and almost 6 minutes of video to put in there. So it saved that. Yay. Yeah, I'm not digging this thing that much, to be honest with you. It doesn't, I just don't like the way it flies. I don't like the way it steers at all. Yeah, it doesn't steer well at all. It's all over the place. All right, I'm just gonna bring it back and let the battery run out because it's boring me. Look how it's all erratic. I think oh, that's because the battery's going weak. The light's flashing, so I'm just gonna land it. Yeah, this thing's very erratic. I wouldn't recommend buying this, guys, even if it was only 20 bucks. I would just pass on this altogether. It's kind of crappy. Okay, so maybe I'll send it to Eric. Who knows? All right, guys. You have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.